Zenatek develops technologies to track, monitor and report on goods and equipment in transit and assets in operative theatres. With the Zenatek tracking service, the geographical position, internal temperature, humidity and state of container, truck trailer doors, equipment and goods can be monitored at any time. Thanks to a tracking device and web platform, our solution monitors the pinpointing of the geographical position of goods being monitored, values of temperature and humidity, any transport problems arising from accidents to goods being badly handled, any door opening or break-ins suffered by the item under control, alarm in case of fire starting inside the container, detach either fraudulent or not of the devices from the anchoring surface. This video shows you how the service works and how the Zenatek tracking device is installed. Through our web platform, the user associates the container's serial number together with the devices, and this defines the shipment details and sets the alarm's thresholds and other transport details that the client desires. This information is what is used to assess and notify any damage and change to the state of goods being monitored. Our device is easy to install and requires no special preparation or tools. The device will be installed using the more suitable anchoring system to the item to be monitored. Even if installed inside a container, the Zenatek tracking device can notify position, besides temperature, humidity, and accidental or inappropriate movements such as tilting and door opening. If temperature or humidity inside the container exceeds the client's set established values, the device will send an alarm through the Zenatek web interface. If the internal temperature is exceeding 75 degrees Celsius, it generates an alarm which, if goods transported are set as inflammable, could be interpreted as a fire alarm. Once installed to the right door of the container, the Zenatek tracking device is turned on by holding down the ignition button for 5 seconds. A flashing red light indicates that the registration procedure to the mobile telephone network is in progress. After about 1 minute of flashing, the LED will emit a green light that indicates the successful registration in the telephone network. The device can be used to track and monitor goods, equipment or assets. Once the load has been set with the Zenatek tracking device installed, the Zenatek's client can monitor the transport parameters through the web application. An intuitive graphic interface displays what the device has measured from the start of the service. An alarm will immediately warn the user by email in case of any problems arising. The user will then be able to take any necessary countermeasures, and then, if these are successful, check if the container conditions are back to normal. A reminder will be sent by email if the cause of alarm persists. When the goods are delivered at the destination, the Zenatek tracking device is then removed and deactivated. Once its operating cycle is over, the device is disposed of in the most appropriate way.